Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rob with Paragon. Welcome back to a very, very special customer car spotlight. So today we are looking at the Rick Corvette Conti's 2023 Rapid Blue C8 Corvette.
Hey guys.
Let's get into it. Let's dive in a little deeper and see what all you've got done to the car.
Oh, it's a bunch.
All right, starting off at the front of the car, like usual, Rick has gone ahead and done the 70th anniversary badge. He's also gone ahead and done the Corvette Racing Jake Skull in a matching Rapid Blue. I'm kind of noticing a pattern here on the car.
Yeah.
Everything is matching Rapid Blue.
Unfortunately, this is the first day I actually didn't wear something that matched my car, but I do have a tire that reciprocates, yes.
Moving on down below that, we've got the ACS front lip and a nice carbon flash. And then to the side here, we have the Paragon Performance LED grill bezel light bars. One of my personal favorite products.
I love them.
They look pretty good, right?
Oh my gosh, they're incredible. Yes, incredible. And the mirrors, we have the wide angle mirrors with the turn signal in the mirror, and then the outside is smoked, which is really smoking hot, and it too is sequential. Way to go, Paragon. I love it, man. Go ahead.
Moving to behind the light bars, he's also gone ahead and protected his condenser fins with the Paragon Performance grill guards. Great choice, must have, right?
Oh, most certainly.
Moving wide into the side of the car now, Rick has also gone ahead and done the side intake grill guards as well. A great product to have.
Oh, 100% you have to. If you drive the car a lot, you want to protect any debris getting up in those intake area.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You've also done the 70th anniversary badge on here on the side, and then a little bit below that you've done the ACS Carbon Flash Z06 style side skirts, which go great with the ACS extended mud guards in a carbon flash as well.
Yeah, absolutely. The whole car is just a beautiful theme. Everything is perfectly placed for a reason. And like I said before, when I ordered cars, that's what I thought about when I got the stuff from Paragon. Everything is working for this theme. You want to talk about a spec that you're real proud of. I'm excited to be on the customer spotlight tonight.
Moving to the back of the car, which Rick can tell you, this is a popular site for most Mustang owners, right?
Yes, it is.
So back here, we've got the taillight overlays done for you in a nice black.
I did not know that you guys did that for me. Thank you so much. That does look good, really does.
I think it meshes well with the new carbon flash license plate insert back here. It really just breaks up the back of the car.
Yeah, this is all one piece too, so it goes on really nice. And I put a little bit of marketing logo here. I'm going to put another one here. This kind of emulates the C8R and then the C8R special edition that Chevrolet did sell, and they put the Corvette numbers in there and the Jake logo. So get a way to kind of personalize that car and really make it your own. Again, this piece is great, and it ties in nice with the lower fascia being carbon flash as well. I love that part.
Awesome. And then you also did the Corsa exhaust blackout heat shield back there, right?
Right. Yeah, it's a purpose-built heat shield. But what I liked about it is it covers that. If you ever look at the back of a C8 and once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's all silver back there, and I love that black piece in there. So whether you have black exhaust tips like I do now, it just blocks out that silver area, and aesthetically it makes the car look a whole lot better. And at the end of the day, regardless of performance, regardless of what you have, you want the car to look good. That's the little detail that'll actually help your car look fantastic.
Awesome. Well, what do you say? Let's check out the engine bay now?
Yes, absolutely.
Moving to the engine bay now, you'll notice Rick has this super awesome Rapid Blue color matched Corvette cover here. And then right next to it, spicing up the engine bay, he's got the one of one Corvette Conti billet bars. What do you think of those, huh?
When you guys surprised me with that, Corey and I from Paragon drove the Z06 at the National Corvette Museum, and he presented those to me. And I know you guys do a great job making Corvette ones and 70th anniversary ones, but ones with my name on it. You want to talk about pride of ownership. I mean, that is super, super special. I love it. It's a great way to dress off this engine bay. It really is, whether you have a coupe or you have a convertible.
And a must-have if you have the convertible is the clear cover, right?
Yeah.
Be able to see all the little goodies.
This is the stigma of this generation, the mid-engine. The hardtop convertible is growing in popularity, and the first thing people would say, well, you can't see the engine. Well, now you can show it off at shows and so forth, but the hardtop convertible is such a user-friendly car. You get everything that you want out of Corvette and then some, but still a great way to show off that engine, to show respect to Zora and his dream, and the one that Taj actually brought to reality.
And last but not least, you've got the Corvette caps in there as well.
Yeah, you guys made those and they look fantastic. I don't know how many colors you offer, but I'm so thankful that there was a blue available with the Corvette emblem. That looks incredible. And suggestion from Corey too at Paragon was not to put the rubber seals over top of that from the factory cover. Use this as a way to showcase the engine, and that's what you want to do. There's no reason to have those on there. So I'm so glad that he said that, and now I actually can show off those beautiful caps. Rob, don't forget about the catch can that you guys put in for me. You offer some great looking products to dress off your Corvette, but you guys do performance parts. I'm thankful to have the catch can on there from Paragon as well.
Absolutely. With your future track experiences coming up, that's definitely going to be essential for you.
Oh, yeah. We'll be sharing that with people on the channel so they get an idea how useful that really is.
Perfect. Well, what do you say we pop the top off, hop inside, and check out what you've got done in there?
All right.
So moving to the inside, obviously color matched as well. You got the rapid blue interior, it looks great. What all products do you have done in here?
Well, the second C8 that I ordered is this particular car, and I did do the factory GM carbon fiber. Thank goodness you guys offered these overlays underneath the vents in the black carbon fiber. It matches, it's easy to install. In addition to that, these paddles are two pieces and go over the factory paddle. They actually feel good. I'll actually start using the paddles more now. Even the piece over here around your shifter, very nicely done, covering up all the silver. Again, not too much, just enough touches right where you need it. The speaker covers, these were great overlays. The way that you guys have this cut and they install, they don't vibrate when you turn their music up. And this is a Corvette with 14 speakers, Bose system, and I do listen to the music loud and they don't vibrate.
You test it out, right?
Most certainly. And just before you get out of the car too, you can't forget, and it's easy to miss, it's kind of tucked away underneath there, that silver piece. It's got the carbon fiber overlay. It too is beautifully done. A great way to finish off this interior. I'm so proud to showcase this car as it sits. I can't see doing anything more or anything less. This is perfect, man. Nice job, guys.
And like Rick said, another thing you can easily miss getting in and out of the car is this rapid blue and carbon flash door sill by AMT. Goes great with the car. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap up this customer car spotlight. Huge shout out and thank you to you, Rick, for letting us come work on your car today and then shoot a spotlight on it and check it all out. It's beautiful what you have done up to it, and I'm very excited to see what you do next with it.
This is really an honor, really a thrill to share not only my passion for the car, but to share my car with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, I appreciate that, and thanks for the great products and the great workmanship that you've offered to me on this particular spec. I call this Rapid Blue 2.0, and I can't wait to promote this car, the lifestyle, and all the great things that you can do on your Corvette.
Awesome, well, perfect.
Thanks, man.
Absolutely, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, all the products you saw on Rick's car and in this video today will be linked in the description down below. While you're down there, go ahead and leave us a like and a comment. Let us know what you thought of this video and Rick and his car. As always, I'm Rob with Paragon. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit that bell notification button, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Thanks for watching, guys. You may have a 101. By the time it's worth any of that, we'll be gone. So who cares? I told you, the grill bezel, LED grill bezel light bars. Okay, I like it. What's LED mean?
So, sorry.
Hang on a second. Boom. Okay, we're ready now. We did those already.
Silent like grill guards. And you said these are real Z06 wheels?
Yeah, right. Take two. It's covered in your car. Car care. That too is car.
That's called a sill plate.
Rapid blue.
There's supposed to be a joke coming, so here we go.
What's round on both sides and high in the middle?
I'm not quite sure.
Ohio.
Okay. Nice try. Hopefully you got a little snare drum. So everyone else will be watching this like, okay, where is the joke? See, I told you. Like, where's he going?
I'll leave it like that.
Where's he going?
You're just standing there, yep.
Hello, the camera's over there. Where are you going?
Hey, it was a pleasure to meet you, man. Seriously, thank you. Thank you
Good
so much
working
for
with you, too.
everything.
Hopefully.